up on your side. Oh no.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh.
What is the knowing about?
Gotta knife him.
That's so mean. I have 2 more shots. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Actually, wait. Wait.
Oh, he's bad.
He like looks in the
Except for that
corner,
one.
and then there's a guy in the corner.
Hey, one was A main.
Oh, I love headshots in this game.
What? Guys, I know why I wasn't doing good. My monitor wasn't at 69% brightness.
2. Cat, unless that's
Good thing I'm
Emily.
cheating.
Matter cause lag. Last guy was CT.
Oh, Zach!
And that is the general setup of my Benelli M4. Nothing else has been changed, and it's very effective. But again, any shotgun, as long as you know what you're doing, as long as it's built.
Cracked.
Zach, you want to see me die after I get 1 kill?
You are not gonna die.
I beg to differ.
Do you guys want to hear me cough?
Yeah.
I'd love to, dude.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
cough harder for me.
Oh no.
He's this bodyguard.
I don't know where he is.
I can't do this now.
Smoke con, another cat.
Thing. So basically,
Okay, guys, here we go.
I didn't realize
Five
there was
shots.
Amazing. No. Wow.
I just hit forward backwards in the ops. Oh, and then a 1 tap.